morning. Today it's another day. As tired as I am, but my son asked me to make samosa. The recipe crossed the seas. So he loves it so much. I have to make it for him even though I am so tired. So I'm gonna be showing you step by step. And here we got everything that we need, everything that we'll be using. We have one onion, we have one green pepper, we have one red pepper, we have one yellow pepper. We have here I mixed flour and water for wrapping, and here is the salt, and here it's my favorite spice, guys. This is the spice I love so much. Here is spice. This is my my secret spice I won't mention. And I've got garlic. I think I've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I also have this my samosa today because I am tired. I'll be using wraps to make my samosa, and I'll show you how you use them. Hey guys, so we are back. Okay, I chopped garlic. I grinded garlic and I put a little bit of water so that I can use it. And here I also cooked my mince, and then now I'm gonna put garlic. Cover the smell, cover the smell, like kishi. Kishi yummy fana, yum. Yeah, when I'm in the kitchen, I'm so happy, guys. I go, what's that? And I'm gonna add salt. Pasha. Salt. Yeah, sayenza lento, sayenza. So when you boil your mince, you should make sure that you use water only. You don't put oil, you don't put anything. You just put a little bit of water. That's how you cook your mince. Then here I already chopped half green pepper, half yellow pepper, half red pepper, and onion here, a full onion. Put the secret spice and also the famous spice, which is lemon and periperi. You should not overcook your mince now when you cook the veggies, because you still need the crunchiness, you know. When you eat them, it should have some crunchiness. Gonna put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds because you need to wrap it when this is still warm so that it can be flexible, and so you can be able to wrap it nicely. gonna show you how to do the thing. You cut this thing into half, and you do this again. This side, and this side. You do the same with all.
Not my fault. Oh, come on, Nanny. Okay.
I'm flying.
That's because there's no gravity in space.
I'm flapping my wings, but they don't do anything.
Yes, your wings won't work in zero gravity.
Are you sure there is a toilet? What's through this door?
What you're gonna do when it's done, when you're done putting, you're gonna put like this a spoon so that you can close.
We are about to go where no elf has gone.
Then you go do like this.
Oh yes, certainly. We are going where no elf or fairy has
You
gone
close,
before.
close it inside like this. Then you put this one here.
Alright, that's enough funny business. Here's my time
Then
table
close.
mission. 1. Land on moon. That 2. Plant the flag. I am now.
Make sure that your wraps are warm so that you can close. Then you're gonna put it aside a little bit. Maybe you can wait for it to stick. The things, all the wraps that you have to do like this.
Hello.
Alien! Amazing!
Oh, that's nice. He said hello. Can you speak alien, Happy? No.
This is Mission Control. What's going on up there? We just met an alien. That's me.
Stoko. Kistoko. So now rafraya. Yo, ngeli bonne, hari bonne. Oh, hari bonne. Yo, hari bonne. Yeah, bonne wena. Bonne you. In the description below, I left all the ingredients and the instruction on how I made this step by step, and you can also subscribe and like my video, and also ring the bell so that next time when I put my video you can see and you can be notified. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. Join me on the next video. Love you. Bye.